Welcome to SmartGo Academy. Today we're going to practice general science multiple choice questions. Question 61. Respiration takes place in all. Option A, living cells. Option B, green cells. Option C, root cells. Option D, leaf cells. The correct answer is option A. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Respiration takes place in all living cells of the plant. It is the process by which cells release energy from food, glucose, to carry out life processes. Question 62. The process that releases energy from food is called. Option A, diffusion. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, respiration. Option D, transpiration. The correct answer is option C. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Respiration is the process that releases energy from food, glucose. It breaks down glucose in the presence of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP. Question 63. The word equation for respiration is. Option A, carbon dioxide plus water, right pointing arrow, glucose plus oxygen. Option B, oxygen plus water, right pointing arrow, glucose plus carbon dioxide. Option C, glucose plus carbon dioxide, right pointing arrow, oxygen plus water. Option D, glucose plus oxygen, right pointing arrow, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. The correct answer is option D. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. The word equation for respiration is glucose plus oxygen, right pointing arrow, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. This shows how energy is released from food during respiration. Question 64. Mitochondria are called the. Option A, skin of the cell. Option B, kitchen of the cell. Option C, powerhouse of the cell. Option D, brain of the cell. The correct answer is option C. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell because they are the site of respiration, where energy, ATP, is produced from food. Question 65. Respiration takes place in. Option A, mitochondria. Option B, chloroplasts. Option C, nucleus. Option D, cell wall. The correct answer is option A. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Respiration takes place in mitochondria. These organelles are responsible for converting glucose into energy through the process of cellular respiration. Question 66. Magnesium is required for the formation of Option A, proteins. Option B, starch. Option C, chlorophyll. Option D, glucose. The correct answer is option C. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Magnesium is essential for the formation of chlorophyll. Without magnesium, plants cannot produce chlorophyll, leading to yellowing of leaves, chlorosis. Question 67. Nitrogen is required for making Option A, amino acids and proteins. Option B, chlorophyll. Option C, glucose. Option D, starch. The correct answer is option A. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Nitrogen is required for making amino acids and proteins. It is a key component of amino acids, which join together to form proteins essential for plant growth. Question 68. Deficiency of magnesium causes Option A, stunted growth. Option B, root rot. Option C, yellowing and wilting of leaves. Option D, pale green leaves. The correct answer is option C. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Deficiency of magnesium causes yellowing and wilting of leaves, chlorosis. This is because magnesium is needed to make chlorophyll, and without it, leaves cannot stay green. Question 69. Deficiency of nitrogen causes Option A, wilting of leaves. Option B, root rot. Option C, flower drop. Option D, pale green or yellow leaves. The correct answer is option D. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Deficiency of nitrogen causes pale green or yellow leaves, chlorosis. Nitrogen is essential for making proteins and chlorophyll, and its deficiency leads to reduced growth and yellowing. Question 70. Photosynthesis takes place in Option A, nucleus. Option B, chloroplasts. Option C, cell wall. Option D, mitochondria. The correct answer is option B. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts. These organelles contain chlorophyll, which captures light energy and converts it into chemical energy. Food. Question 71. Respiration provides energy in Option A, unusable form. Option B, usable form. Option C, solid form. Option D, liquid form. The correct answer is option B. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Respiration provides energy in usable form. ATP. ATP is the energy currency of cells that powers all cellular activities and life processes. Question 72. The products of photosynthesis are the reactants of Option A, osmosis. Option B, diffusion. Option C, transpiration. Option D, respiration. The correct answer is option D. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. The products of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen, are the reactants of respiration. This shows the relationship between these two processes. What is produced in photosynthesis is used in respiration. Question 73. The products of respiration are the reactants of Option A, transpiration. Option B, diffusion. Option C, osmosis. Option D, photosynthesis. The correct answer is option D. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. The products of respiration, carbon dioxide and water, are the reactants of photosynthesis. This shows how photosynthesis and respiration are opposite processes that complement each other. Question 74. Amino acids form Option A, proteins. Option B, carbohydrates. Option C, fats. Option D, minerals. The correct answer is option A. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Amino acids join together to form proteins. Proteins are essential for plant growth, structure, and enzymatic functions. Question 75. Mitochondria perform the process of Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, transpiration. Option D, diffusion. The correct answer is option A. Here's the explanation for the correct answer. Mitochondria perform the process of respiration. They are the organelles where energy is released from glucose to produce ATP for cellular activities. Congratulations! You have completed all 15 general science questions. Great job!